How to use Shopify POS. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will have to first get the subscription of your Shopify. Whatever subscription that you want to get, go for according to your business and your requirements. Just go for it. Only then you would be able to utilize the POS feature of Shopify. And in order to use POS feature or point of sale feature, you need to get the POS hardware connected with your Shopify and also set up the POS app to accept the payments. And after that, you would be able to utilize Shopify's POS, and all the basic features will be covered in the subscription plan of yours with no extra cost. But in case if you want some additional features for your Shopify POS, then just simply go for Shopify Pro, POS Pro, and here you get some extra features. So just make sure that you get the subscription for Shopify. After that, you need to connect your POS hardware with Shopify and also set up the POS app, and in order to accept the payments for all the sales that you will be making. And this way you would be able to use the Shopify POS. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.